Hi guys, today we're going to do 55 elbow lifts and 55 typewriter push-ups. So let's get down to it, starting with the typewriter push-ups. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, let's do one more. 26. Now we have 29 more to go, and after that we're going to start with the elbow lifts, but let's focus on the training at hand. A little break. The typewriter push-up is really exhausting. Really take a number on your muscles. Let's see if we can do the last 29. This time we're going down on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. An energy break. So I have 14 more to go. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see if we can do the last 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need a break. Oh my god. For some reason, I really don't have the energy today, or it's just because it's the exercise that is really challenging. But I have 4 more, the last 4, and then we're done. And then we're going to do 55 elbow lifts. Forgot the name there for a second. Okay, let's do the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Okay, so elbow lifts, 55s. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh. Ah. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so we have officially done 30. We have 25 more to go. Just need a little break. Whew. I know, it's been a while since I felt the exercise was this challenging, but it could be the weather or it could be the lack of sleep that I had. Who knows and who cares? Let's finish the last 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have 10 more and then we're done. Jesus. This really feels more like I'm complaining than more than I train. But god damn. Oh, my muscles. Jesus. Okay, last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, today's training is complete. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.